Welcome back, and today we are mostly going to be grilling. Yes, I think I mentioned I was going to treat myself to a new grill because most of these fittings on that old one had snapped off. So we have a fully new, ready to go grill, and this one's black, as you can see. But what I want to do first is put some mesh inside these holes because they're a little bit large, and the possibility of a large stone flying through those straight into the radiator is relatively high, especially off-road. So last time we just used some mesh and we kind of tie wrapped it in there, a little bit messy. We're going to do something a little bit better this time. I think we're going to use some of this like we did on the race car. Just got to cut it to size first. Well, I was thinking I'd Bondo it in like I did on these side panels for the Kawasaki. But actually, I think we just need some decent tape and stick it in. We got two choices. We got this super sticky Gorilla Tape stuff, which I haven't been too impressed with. And then we got our usual HVAC tape, which, as you know, I love. So that's that sorted then. There we go. Tape's in place. Not bad. Simple. That nut there, that nut there. One of these pop doofers there. One the other end. Even managed to get a bolt through that bit now. And it's much more sturdy because all these pieces are not broken. So they're holding it in there nicely. Lovely. Job done. Literally 10 minutes. Might keep this just in case. It's a bit knackered. New front end. And that's not all. And yes, I resisted the temptation to spray it with our flat bed liner to match the rest of the car because it's nice and new and shiny, so we'll leave it as it is for now. Anyway, what's next? Well, as you can see, this is a bit knackered up thanks to my co-pilot, Mr. Chaos, as is some of this, to be honest. And of course the seats, especially that one. And that one. And again, I resisted temptation to order a full kind of carbon fibre-y thing to go over the entire centre console. Yeah, just a little bit too much. So I've gone for this instead. Mind you, didn't completely resist carbon fibre. So we got these as well. And again, erring on the side of caution, I don't know. Anyway, all sorts of options on seat covers. I went for these ones, which are a little bit more sedate than the possible alternative. That's that. Much better. Well, apparently watching people opening boxes is all the rage. Unboxing. There you go. A box. There's some stuff in it. Yeah. Now it's on the floor. It's our carbon fibre trim for the FJ. We're just cleaning the surface down, ready to fix the new carbon fibre. And using this stuff. And before we start sticking them down, I'm just going to check they're a nice fit, and they are. Looks kind of nice. Likewise the other side. Right, let's get peeling and sticking. That lovely new grille and lights. One side done. Bloody lovely. Yeah, very nice. We like 10-minute jobs. And one new seat cover. Not bad. Well, I think that just about covers it, if you'll excuse the pun. Next time in FJ World, we'll probably be fitting some new rear lights. Again, I've already got aftermarket lights on there, but I've spotted some really cool ones. They're pretty expensive. But I think I'm going to do it, even though it's a real pain in the arse job to get inside the back there. But yeah, so tune in for that next time, in which case you'll need to subscribe down here somewhere. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up, and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.